Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to promote your website using Facebook ads. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So you need to have the Facebook app. So simply click on it and now you will see interface like this. Simply click on your profile icon and now you can see an option right in front of you that is called Ad Center. So just click on it and now as you can see there is a clear option that is here, get more website visitors. What you need to do is you need to put an ad preview here. You can edit it here, you can put a image here or a video, and you can write anything here you want. You can turn this on, and the most important part here is you need to put your website URL. So I'm just going to put my website's URL. You need to put a valid URL, obviously, and this is a quite interesting option here, that is button. Simply click on the pen icon and you can choose any button from here you want. You can choose no button if you want. You can choose a book now button. You can choose learn more, shop now, or sign up. I'm just going to click on shop now button and click on save. Alright, now here's the most important part. You need to choose your target audience from here. You can choose and you can change the location and the age range from here. Click on edit. You can decrease it or you can increase it. You can change the location from here. I'm just going to leave it as it is. You can change the gender from here, man or woman. Click on save, and now here it is showing you your daily budget. So for 80 rupees, which is $1, it will reach 683 people per day. Alright, 80 rupees is $1, so you can understand how much will it take, and from here you can choose the schedule and duration, from which date it will start and from how many days it will keep going, and it will show you your total budget at the most bottom part. And now you just need to click on promote website. Your website will be started promoting from the date you choose from here. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.